Meet the ILIFE A30 Pro, a smart robot vacuum and mop combo built to make home cleaning easier, smarter, and more hands-free than ever before. With precision LiDAR navigation, powerful suction, and a self-emptying system, this is a robot designed for convenience and performance. At the core of the A30 Pro is its advanced LiDAR navigation system with SLAM algorithms. This allows the robot to map your entire home in real time, plan efficient cleaning routes, and cover every corner without missing a spot. Whether you live in an apartment or a multi-room house, the A30 Pro delivers precise and reliable coverage. One of its biggest highlights is the self-emptying base station. It comes with 5 large 2.5-liter dust bags, each capable of storing up to 8 weeks of debris. That means with 5 bags included, you can enjoy up to 280 days of hands-free cleaning. That's more than 9 months without worrying about emptying the bin. After every cleaning session, the robot automatically transfers dust and debris into the station, giving you true hassle-free maintenance. When it comes to cleaning power, the A30 Pro doesn't disappoint. It features 5,000 pascals of suction strength, which is strong enough to lift dust, dirt, crumbs, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. You can choose from 4 suction modes: quiet at 500 pascals, standard at 1,000 pascals, strong at 1,800 pascals, and max at the full 5,000 pascals, so you can balance cleaning power with noise and battery life depending on your needs. But the A30 Pro is more than just a vacuum. Thanks to its 3-in-1 design, it can sweep, vacuum, and mop simultaneously. The 2-in-1 water tank and dustbin system allows it to vacuum and mop in one pass, reducing overall cleaning time by up to 30%. Plus, you can adjust water flow levels through the app for different floor types. Speaking of control, the ILIFE Clean app puts customization at your fingertips. From setting no-go zones and virtual walls to scheduling cleanings and adjusting suction or water levels, the app makes managing the A30 Pro effortless. It also supports room-specific cleaning, so you can target exactly where you want. And for added convenience, you can use the included remote control if you prefer a simpler setup. Battery life is another standout feature. With up to 180 minutes of runtime, the A30 Pro can easily clean large spaces on a single charge, and when the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its base to recharge. In real-world use, the ILIFE A30 Pro feels like a reliable, high-performance cleaning partner. It's powerful enough for tough messes, smart enough to navigate efficiently, and convenient enough to handle months of cleaning with almost no input from you. If you're looking for a powerful, smart, and low-maintenance robot vacuum and mop combo, the ILIFE A30 Pro is definitely worth considering.